Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in this morning. We just passed the 1,000 subscriber mark, so I wanted to say thank you to everyone that has subscribed to the channel. I know a lot of you came along for the canning and the food preparation, so this week we're going to be doing a lot of canning. We took some time off with the family, and then I've been spending some time down at the farm. I got a lot of content. I'm fixing to try and upload some videos, so please do enjoy. Also, for the 1,000 subscribers, I told everybody I wanted to give something away. Seeing how each and every one of you probably need something a little different, rather than me give you something you may or may not use, I figured the best gift may be just a good old Benjamin Franklin's. So I'm going to be making a video coming up on the 1,000 sub giveaway. I'm going to work just like the others. I'll try and figure out this live thing where we can do it live, but if not, I'll do it the same way I did my other giveaways. But again, a big thanks to all of you that have hit the subscribe button. I know, looking at my statistics, a lot of people that watch the videos don't actually subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button. It don't cost you much. The creators really do appreciate it. And if you want to see more content, be sure and ring that bell. It will notify you whenever we do upload a new video. But thanks guys, I really do appreciate it. I never thought it would get this big. But the giveaway coming up, I'm sure you could use it. I'm sure you could put it to good use. So tune in, hit the subscribe button. We'll be making a video coming up for that giveaway. Thanks again guys, I really do appreciate it.